All right, starting out for, oh man. So this week we're gonna transition into February, and we also have NFP on Friday. So I already know sometimes those weeks can be a little saucy for me, but we'll see. So far, completely bearish on EU. I do think that the monthly time frame is taking back over. Yeah, so we know we close, this monthly candle closes in 3 days. I have anticipated a big bearish movement ever since. Well, hold on. Let me stop lying for a second. I'd have to go on the dollar to show you facts. So had this last resistance area. Two candles broke there to say we're going to continue going bullish. And it seems like before price did that, we had just, a 100% retracement, came right back to this support level. And again, in 3 days, if this candle closes bullish, which more than likely it is, then I think that will continue bullish up to here. That could be like the next main take profit for, I guess, the next like month or two. I don't know. But yeah, I think that's what's happening because the dollar is still very, very bullish, right? Nothing but bulls right now. It's kind of consolidating, but we're still bullish. So yeah, with that being said, bears on EU. Last week was rough also. Although I did exit out a trade that would have been up nice in profit, but I exited out because I was like, it really doesn't align with my plans. I think it was like here or something or here. It's all good. I think this week will be better. So sells for EU, sells for GU. I still really don't like GU. What is it? What is this showing? Let's see. Yeah, even if I go with the daily, GU is so ugly and unclear that I mean, the only no, I wouldn't even, I'm not even gonna try to justify it. She's disgusting. She looks gross. All right. And then for gold, gold is also still bearish right now. We could do like, yeah, it makes more sense. It's more relevant. But yeah, honestly, Sunday, Monday could have some nice bearish movement because we have been consolidating in this area for a while. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's like randomly like yeet, like out of nowhere where no one's able to catch the move. I really wouldn't be surprised. It could be NFP, honestly. It really could. But yeah, just a matter of taking it day by day. UJ, still think we're bullish. Have that nice little trade in there. Sweet Thursday. I could have taken a buy Friday. But what was happening on Friday? I took a sell on EU. Buys would have been nice, but then I would have had to close out immediately because no holding on the weekend. So that's why I really don't like Fridays too much. It could be good entries if you plan on holding over the weekend, but if not, sometimes it's just not worth it. Nice and bullish on GJ. Weekly candle close bearish, but that could simply be a pause because at the end of the day, it's in a sucky area right now because you see that on the weekly time frame, this was a resistance level. So yeah, it could plummet bearish, but at the same time, let's see what the JPY basket is doing. Coulda, shoulda. At the end of the day, it's still bearish. So now this is still bearish. So that means that more than likely GJ is going to continue bullish. And no, because if this is bearish, then that's one bullish. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, these are my outlooks. I'm starting to think that maybe I shouldn't be waiting for a whole entire daily candle close before buying or selling the next day. It's pretty nice, but sometimes I miss moves. That's okay. That's all right. Everything's fine. So yeah, NFP Friday at 8:30. There is a lot of news, but that's typical. And again, because there's a lot of news, there could be a lot of volatility. It could be, you know, it could be in the direction of the overall trend on the monthly. It could be. Especially with all this consolidation we've been having, it just makes me think that it's prepping for something big. That's usually what that means. So happy trading.